Let's start with mechanical fuel injectors. This is off my Mercedes 500 SL. They come in BWs, a lot of 70s and 80s European cars. What I did was take my fingernail and popped open the little tip, the pintle inside of there. And what you could do, once that's open, you could actually use ultrasonic cleaner, and I usually just use Dawn detergent on these, and just stick it in there and let it go to town. This is on the timer. You'd have to hit a couple cycles to go through that. I don't know how well you can see it, but I just took that twist tie wire, held it open, the pintle open with my fingernail, and wrapped a twist tie wire to open up the end of the fuel injector right there. Also, when you're cleaning these, you can I'm using brake cleaner, but carb cleaner might be formulated differently to check the spray pattern and pop. When these cans are full, they'll pop the pressure off on the fuel injectors, and you can see if they're leaking or how the spray pattern is. I also clean it. This one was dirty. I've been using it, and it's been sitting outside on my deck for a couple years. But that's two ways I'd clean a mechanical fuel injector, just so they're not leaking and it has a good spray pattern. You can keep using these. Yeah. Also, if you have that held open with some wire, have the tip open with some wire, I use a Techron on that. You can soak these in Techron. That's Techron Concentrate Plus is one of the few things that remove carbon really nice without destroying everything else, like metals and plastic and rubber. So you can just stick that in there, fill it like halfway up, soak that for however you want, put a bag over it so it doesn't evaporate. Soak it for however long you want, at least 3 days I think would be fine. I'd put some in a syringe and fill up, make sure it's in there, fill that up. You can get smaller syringes at like Walgreens. The pharmacist just gives me them. It's the kind without the needle, but if you know someone that has diabetes, you could get a regular needle syringe and inject stuff in there.